Hey guys, so today I figured I'd show you a cool triangle combo that I do a lot in my flow. People have asked about it, so first I'll show it and then I'll explain it. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by spinning down towards your center line. What I mean by that is you're going to be spinning inwards. You can imagine it coming down your center line here. So I'm going to spin once the rotation's coming back up. So once it's coming up like that, I'm spinning. Once it's coming up like that, that's when I'm going to know to put my elbow up and let the whip swing over into my other one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to catch it in between my thumb and my index finger right here. And then I'm going to lift my arms up in this triangle formation to make a triangle. I can then split the triangle and move that. I can move with it. I could release it and kind of do some cool stuff with that hanging there. Could even do some that kind of stuff. So I'm here. I could do stuff like this. Hope you guys had fun with this. If you have any questions, let me know. Feel free to reach out, and I'm glad to help. Thanks.